Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vita Yako, and I'm back with another video. Thank you for clicking, thank you for liking the video, thank you for also watching my previous video. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are the best. You know I love you, right? Yes, I do love you all so much. So I'm going to be telling you top 3 benefits of Fair and White So White Skin Perfector Exfoliating Scrub or Shower Gel that you didn't know about. And I'll also be telling you some of the benefits of Vaseline that you didn't know about. I'm going to be sharing it here with you all today. So please watch this video to the end, because what I will reveal today is going to shock you if at all you don't know about these things. Maybe you know already, but there's some people that does not know. So please keep on watching. I'll be back. Welcome back. So let's start with Vaseline. Okay, so for a while now I have been using Vaseline on my lips. Yeah, Vaseline, you can just use Vaseline like when you want to go to bed. Just apply it on your lips. Let it be on your lips like your lip balm or lip mask. Allow it to stay on your lips. Keep on doing this. Like if you do it in the night before going to bed, the next day in the morning you notice how your lips will become very soft and soft. And if you keep on using it, you will start noticing that your lips are becoming very fresh, like soft, clean. You know what I mean? Clean in such a way that you start having, if you're that type of person that have your lips is too dark, Vaseline is going to help you in making it to look soft. And although I'm coming up with a video like a pink lips scrub or pink lips balm, so what the Vaseline does is it prepare your lips for all those stuff, so that immediately you start applying them on your lips, you'll get result as soon as possible. Like you start seeing result very fast. And Vaseline is also good. You don't need to spend money and be buying all these makeup wipes. Vaseline does the magic for me. Yeah, I don't have any makeup wipe in this house, or face wipe or makeup wipe, or yeah, I don't know if that is how it is called, but with Vaseline it's very easy. Like this lipstick that I'm wearing right now is very like when you put it on your lips, it can stay like this till the next day. It will not come out. Even if I eat, it will hardly come out. So for me to take it off, if I just put Vaseline sharp immediately, it will just come out. Or if I just apply honey too is very good. If you want to take off your brows like mine right now, you take honey or Vaseline and put it there, it will just come out. And Vaseline too as well, you can also use it if you have dark armpits. Yeah, like after using lemon and baking soda on your armpits, like don't use it every day, like at least once in a week. After you use Vaseline to exfoliate, like apply it under your armpit. You start noticing, like when you use it like twice in a week, you'll notice changes. Okay, yeah, so that is, I'm done. I'm done with Vaseline. So let's move to the next. So the next I'll be talking about Fair and White So White Skin Perfector scrubbing, like exfoliating shower gel or scrub. Okay, what you don't know about this, maybe all you know about this product is that you can use it to exfoliate your skin or use it for your scrub, which is very right, you're correct. But you can also use it in on your hands. When I say your hands, or your hands like this, sorry, I'm not done my nails, it's kind of looking somehow, no problem. You can use it to exfoliate your palm. If you have chemical burns on your face or your hands, this scrub is going to help you a lot. Don't worry, but it's going to help you if you get the original. Same with that Vaseline I just talked about here. I'll leave all of the link in the description box, so you can go and purchase the original there. And I'll also leave, like, this video that I'm talking about right now, I'll also try to leave all of the picture before everything. I'll leave everything in the description box. So you can actually use this product to get rid of dark feet. When I say dark feet, it's not going to happen like that, like magic immediately, but you need to use it to exfoliate your feet with it. I'll tell you how I use this product, especially when I'm using it only on my legs, my feet, or my hands. I'll use it with this sea salt, and it will do the magic for me. And if you have a very stubborn dark feet or stubborn dark knuckles, this one is going to help in fastening your process, fastening the treatment. Like, it do it very, very, very fast for you. And if you're also using a cream that is kind of slow, maybe the cream is not good, or maybe you bought a fake, or maybe your pores are blocked, maybe you have dead skin cells, which you need to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating your skin is very, very, very good. Yes, exfoliate your skin at least twice in a week. Do it twice in a week. Don't overdo it, because if you overdo it, like some people will say they exfoliate your skin every blessed day. Like, are you for real? Why would you do that? If you exfoliate your skin too often or every day, it's going to dry out your skin. And when it dry out your skin, it can irritate your skin. It can irritate your skin, which you are not going to like. So please don't exfoliate your skin every day. Do it at least twice in a week. Okay? And if you are using any whitening product, it's not good to exfoliate your skin every day, because it might trigger stretch marks or growing veins. Avoid too much exfoliation. Avoid it. This is coming from me. Please avoid too much exfoliation. So this product, you can use it, like, when you want to use it on your palms or your feet, just pour it in a small clean bowl. Pour the scrub in a clean bowl, then pour the sea salt and mix everything together. Use it to exfoliate your feet gently, because you don't want to trigger any irritation. Use it to exfoliate your feet or your palms gently. Don't be harsh on your skin. Okay, do that. Like, you feel that softness immediately. You feel how your skin will be very, very soft in such a way that you are going to love your skin. And you will notice that anything you apply on your skin is going to work very fast. Like, the process is going to be very, very quick and fast. So this is why you need to get this product. You need to get this product, my sister. You need it at home. Even if you don't need any other thing, you need it at home. Remember, I told you all that I have a natural beauty channel. So please go and subscribe there. Go and subscribe, because I have a lot of things to share with you all. Go there and subscribe. So I don't want this. So